student, in this video we will discuss how earthworm is important to increase the soil fertility. We all know earthworm is also called as friend of the farmer, and if you want to prepare the vermicompost by using the earthworm, then we are using different beds. So this is the plastic bed which commonly available in the market. If you have a permanent structure, then we will prepare the permanent bed by using bricks and cement. So there are again two types of beds you can see. In one bed there is no holes or aeration system, and this is the another bed where aeration system is available. So after eating the plant debris and manure, that earthworm will produce vermicompost, and you already seen that how that vermicompost have been prepared. So this is the earthworm. When you will take it out, then you can easily see inside his digestive system whole soil or plant debris are present, and always it excretes the eaten food material after digestion, and that excrete is also called as earthworm cast. Earthworm casts are rich in available nutrients than the soil around them. Nitrogen in the casts is readily available to the plants, and worm bodies after died, that will decompose rapidly, and after that again nitrogen will be available into the soil for the plants. Worm cast release 4 times more phosphorus than does the surface of the soil. Earthworm prepare tunnel into the soil, and these tunnels are useful for the plant growth, root growth, and aeration into the soil, as well as for better drainage system into the soil. So it improve the structure of the soil. And if you will see the nutrient profile of the vermicompost, then you can easily observe that in the vermicompost there is a present of 1.6% of nitrogen, 0.7% of phosphorus, 0.8% of potassium, 0.5% of calcium, 0.2% of magnesium, 175 ppm iron, 96.5 ppm manganese, and 24.5 ppm zincs and other micronutrients. So this much vermicompost is important for the growth of the plant, because it provides different micro and major nutrients to the plants. It also having different growth hormones such as auxin, gibberellic acid, which is responsible for the growth of the plant. So every farmer should prepare the vermicompost on their farm by using these different plant debris or manures, and they should use this vermicompost, because as compared to FYM, the requirement of the vermicompost is less, with these different important benefits.